Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tech Champagne. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you all can install and run LineageOS 23 Android 16 custom ROM on your Pixel 6 Pro device. Here you can see I have a Pixel 6 Pro device and I have installed Android 16 LineageOS custom ROM on it. With following this tutorial, you all also will be able to install and run this custom ROM on your device too. So let's start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join me. Okay friends, before continuing to the installation process of this LineageOS 23 Android 16 custom ROM on your Pixel 6 Pro device, you need to follow these things. First of all, you need to take a full backup of the all data and applications on your phone because this process will permanently wipe everything on your phone. As the next step, you need to unlock the bootloader of this device. So during this bootloader unlocking process also, your data and everything will be wiped. So if you don't know the process of unlocking the bootloader on this device, you can refer to the video that I have included in the description of this video to unlock your bootloader. So then you can continue with this tutorial to install this custom ROM on your Pixel 6 Pro device. Okay guys, as the next step, you need to download the Android USB drivers to your PC from this website, and also you need to download Google SDK platform tools. Okay friends, then you need to extract this. You need to right click on your start menu and go to device manager, then click on this option called action, then click on add drivers option, then click on browse and go to the place where that you have saved the file. Now select the folder and click on OK button, click on next, then click on install. Now you have successfully installed the Pixel drivers on your PC, then click on close button and close this window. As the next step, you need to open the folder where you have downloaded the platform tools to your Windows. Now you need to open this folder like this, then click on this bar and type cmd, then hit enter. Then you will be able to open a command prompt like this. Then as the next step, we need to download LineageOS 16 custom ROM to your device from the given links in the description of this video. And other than that, you need to download the related boot files. When it comes to this page, you need to download this zip file, it's the custom ROM file. Also you need to download this boot image file, DTBO file, super vendor boot image file. You need to download these three files from here, then open the place where that you have saved all of these files. Okay friends, here you need to turn off your Pixel 6 Pro device. Okay guys, then you need to press and hold your power key and volume down key together till your device getting into the bootloader screen like this. So as the next step, you need to connect a working USB cable to your device like this. Then go back to your PC and open your CMD window which we have already opened. Then here you need to type this command. So guys, after successfully connecting your device into your PC, you can identify your Pixel 6 Pro device like this when you type fastboot devices on your command prompt. Then we can continue to the installation process of our custom ROM. So as the first step, I need to install the boot image here. To install the boot image, I need to type this command fastboot flash boot, then go back to your folder, then copy the path to your boot image like this, then paste it here and hit enter button. Then it will flash your boot image to your phone. So then as the next step, you need to right click on the vendor boot file and copy it as a path. Here you need to type fastboot flash vendor boot, then paste your path here, then hit enter button. So guys, as the next step, we can boot into the LineageOS recovery. To do that, you need to press your volume down keys and select the recovery mode from here, then press your power key. Now click your volume down keys and select apply update button. Now select apply update from ADB. Now we are on the ADB mode. Then go back to your CMD window and type ADB devices here. Now you can see your device has successfully identified by this window. So guys, as the next step, you need to type the ADB site load here and paste the part your custom ROM like this. Then paste it into here. Then press the enter key and wait till the completing of this flashing process. It will take some time. So guys, as you can see on the screen, it says if you want to install any other additional packages to this custom ROM like GApps, you need to reboot into the recovery mode again. So as you already know, if we are installing LineageOS on a device, we don't get Google Play services officially to that device. So you need to install the GApps package onto this device if you want to get the Google Play access. Then select yes button like this. Okay friends, after reaching to this website, you can download the GApps package for your device. I'm going to download Android 16 64-bit version. Okay friends, now we have successfully downloaded the GApps package to our PC, and I'm going to copy the path of that zip file. Now go back to your CMD window like this. Here you need to type ADB devices once again. When it comes to your phone, you need to select the apply update option like this and select apply update from ADB. Now hit enter and see whether your device has identified by the PC. You can see my device has identified by my PC. I'm going to paste this zip file here. Now hit enter button. So if you are getting this kind of error in your recovery mode called a signature verification failed, you need to select the yes option from here, pressing your volume keys and press your power key once. Okay friends, then you need to scroll down and select this factory reset option, press your power key and select format data reset option once again, press your power key and select format data. Then once again you need to select format data option when you are flashing this ROM on the first time on your phone. I'm not going to do this because I have already flashed this ROM and I have some data on it. Now as the next step, you can reboot your device. Then you can remove your USB cable and wait till completing of the booting process. So when it comes to here, you can see I have successfully installed this LineageOS 23 Android 16 custom ROM on my Pixel 6 Pro device. So with that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.